Okay, so my keyboard is grim. It does need a clean. Taking off the keycaps, weirdly, one of the longest things I had to do. I'm very much disappointed in myself with this one. We got an industrial dog blow dryer. You're about to see in a couple seconds the worst looking keyboard known to man. Oh my goodness, look at all that stuff. That's already looking so much better. We can just leave it at that, you know? I'm not going to though. All done. I think I've lost about 50% of my keys, guys. It is taking a while, but I'm sure it will be worth it. You'll have that notepad that looks exactly like this after doing our keyboard. It looks good, but like half my keys are missing.